Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a review of Firmoo eyeglasses. Now if you're like me and you wear glasses for sight, then you may have assumed that you had to buy your glasses at the eye doctor's office. So growing up, I always thought, I always bought my glasses there, and I thought that's just the way things rolled, and I didn't know that there were websites where you could purchase not only the frames but the lenses as well. And
that's what they don't want you to know.
So let's head right on into this review. So like I was saying before, Firmoo is way more affordable than the frames and lenses that you will find at your eye doctor's office. I also have been tracking their website for a couple of months now, and I noticed that they usually have sales, especially for holidays. So for example, the glasses that I ordered, I got them on Black Friday for their Black Friday sale. So I got 50% off of the frames, and I think I just paid for the lenses as they were. They also have a wide variety of styles. Unlike at the eye doctor's office, I was talking to my friend Monica and she was like, yo, Firmoo is where it's at. So shout out to her because she put me onto Firmoo to begin with. The exact pair of glasses that I ordered will be linked in the description box below. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I only ordered one pair because I was a little bit skeptical. I didn't know how their glasses were gonna turn out. So I was like, let me just get one pair and see how it goes. But after looking at these, y'all, I'm definitely gonna have to order a few more. This may be my go-to site now. So as y'all can see, it just comes in this packaging right here. I'm just gonna open it up for y'all. So it just gave me 2 discount cards for the holidays with 50% off of the frames. Oh, that's nice. That's awfully kind. It also just comes with this little card right here that just details a lot about like the maintenance and different contacts for them, their return policy. So they do have a 30-day return and exchange and a 3-month warranty. So that's also very nice. And then it also just has some tips here for cleaning and care, and like where to store your glasses, how to clean them off. And then it also just comes in this little pouch right here. So it says here that this is both a cleaning cloth and a pouch. So these are the glasses that I ordered from Firmoo. And let's try them on. This is my first time actually trying these on. The color is really pretty. It's a really pretty brown, and it's a little bit like transparent, especially in the light. I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay. Y'all, these glasses are really cute. I love the rectangle sort of frame on my glasses. I usually prefer that. Usually I go for black frames, but this is very different. And I can see everything really clearly, so my prescription is on point. So just from trying these on and for having glasses for like a long period of time, I definitely already love these. The size is perfect for my head shape. It's not too tight, which is good, and I know that your glasses obviously loosen up with time, but this is like a perfect fit for me. And I love how much space the lenses actually take up, so that's another bonus. Let me just get into some specifications of the glasses that I specifically ordered. Again, it will be in the description box below. So I got this frame in the color brown. You can get their glasses for distance, reading, and the lens that I got is the thin spheric lens. I also got advanced coating on mine, so this, they said, is going to make the glasses easier to clean and water resistant, which is really great for rain. I know my glasses wearers out there, you know it's a struggle when it be raining and the rain droplets be all up in your lens. So this advanced coating that I got is perfect for that. I know that they also have a coating that is a little bit more expensive, and that is to reduce moisture.
Take these off so we can get into the rest of this.
So one of the things that I loved about their website is their lens option. So you can have a lens for driving, especially if you're driving and you know that glare that you'll get with your glasses. They have a specific lens option to reduce the glare, especially at night when you're driving. They also have blue light blocking as well that you can add to your lens, and also a tint, especially in the sun. They also have that option as well. Firmoo isn't just for those who actually have eyeglass prescriptions. Even if you're looking for glasses for sunglasses or style, for example, they definitely have options for those as well. Or even if you need it for reading or even blue light, if you just want blue light glasses, you can just get that lens without adding a prescription. So their shipping also was something that took a bit of time. I did order on Black Friday, so that could have been why my glasses took a while to get here. But the shipping was something that took a while for me, so I would just keep that in mind. If you're ordering and you need these glasses by a certain point in time, make sure you order them earlier out to avoid any hassle with shipping. Just a few of my personal tips after going through this entire process and ordering from Firmoo. Number one, they often have sales, so wait until they have a sale for a holiday and purchase it then, because you can get like 50% off your frames or even your lens. Number two is to make sure you have your prescription on hand from your eye doctor's office. And this is specifically if you plan on ordering the lenses online. You can just order the frames and I think have someone insert lenses for you. But I chose to have my prescription on hand. You just enter it into the website, or you can also upload a picture of your prescription. Just make sure that there is a PD number on it, and PD stands for pupillary distance. So it's literally the distance between your pupils. That number is also really helpful for choosing a frame. So for example, if you have like a smaller pupillary distance, then you may want to get a smaller size for your frame. One downside to this that I noticed is that it didn't come with a case. Again, it only came with this pouch right here that they said is also a cleaning cloth. I wish that it came in an actual like hard case that could hold my glasses, especially if I'm on the go. That's something that I usually prefer. So I'll probably use this for cleaning or order wipes for cleaning and just buy a case. But other than that, the glasses themselves are really great. So that is it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions about the glasses that I got or how I like them so far, please be sure to leave those in the comment section below, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you also liked this video. See y'all next time.